As you travel to Australia or New Zealand for the Women's FIFA World Cup, get ready to score big and discover the most breathtaking spots. Uncover haunted prisons, chocolate factories, and the world's most tilted street in this video, starting with Haigh's Chocolate Factory, Adelaide. Haigh's Chocolate Factory in Adelaide, Australia is a chocolate lover's paradise, located in the city centre. Haigh's has been making chocolate since 1915 and offers a unique opportunity to witness the chocolate-making process firsthand. Visitors can take a guided tour through the factory where they can learn about the history of Haigh's and watch as skilled chocolatiers create delicious treats. Along with the tour, Haigh's also offers a tasting room where visitors can sample some of their delicious chocolates. The factory also features a retail store where visitors can purchase a variety of Haigh's chocolate products, including their famous chocolate frogs and truffles. The store is beautifully decorated with displays of chocolates arranged in colorful patterns that will make you feel like you've stepped into the world of Willy Wonka. Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, Brisbane. Brisbane may be full of delightful locations to visit, but a koala sanctuary can't be beaten easily. Situated on Jesmond Road, in an 18-hectare sanctuary, Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary is the world's first and largest koala sanctuary and is home to over 130 koalas, as well as a range of other native Australian wildlife. Visitors can get up close and personal with the koalas, with the opportunity to cuddle with them and have their photos taken. The sanctuary offers a range of other animal encounters, including hand-feeding kangaroos and wallabies, and holding snakes and lizards. Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary is a tourist hotspot thanks to its daily animal shows, which showcase the incredible talents of the resident animals. The shows include sheepdog herding, bird of prey flights, and popular Meet the Koala shows. Royal Botanic Gardens, Melbourne. Surround yourself with the best of Mother Nature by heading to Melbourne. Located just a stone's throw from the city centre, the Royal Botanic Gardens offers a tranquil oasis away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Dotted with impressive lakes and picturesque landscapes, the gardens cover an impressive 38 hectares and are home to over 8,500 plant species from all around the world. Tourists can explore the gardens on foot, taking on the stunning terrains and discovering hidden nooks and crannies. Perhaps the gem of the Royal Botanic Gardens is the ornamental lake, home to a variety of water birds and aquatic plants. Visitors can take a relaxing boat ride on the lake or simply sit and watch the world go by. You might even spot someone proposing at this spot because it's one of the most romantic destinations in the world. Gardens are also popular for their Australian Rainforest Walk, which showcases some of Australia's most unique plant species, and the Tropical Glasshouse, which is home to a range of exotic plants from around the world. Newcastle Beach, Newcastle. Newcastle Beach is a stunning must-visit destination for tourists looking for a coastal escape. After all, if there's anything Australia's got a reputation for, it's beaches. Newcastle Beach stretches over 2.5 kilometers along the captivating Pacific Ocean, offering incredible views and a list of things to do and see. Newcastle Beach offers soft golden sand, crystal clear waters, and stunning rock formations that dot the area. The beach is also home to a range of facilities, including a skate park, barbecue areas, and playgrounds, making it a perfect destination for families. Since Newcastle Beach is notorious amongst thrill-seeking adventurers, tourists can enjoy a range of water activities such as swimming, surfing, and paddleboarding. The beach is also a great spot for fishing and beachcombing, with a range of marine life and shells to discover. Newcastle Beach feels extra special because of its laid-back atmosphere, especially if you reserve your spot during the calm hours. The beach is known for its stunning sunsets, and tourists can enjoy a traditional Australian barbecue as they watch the sun dip below the horizon. Fermantle Prison, Perth. Nestled right in the heart of Perth is the Fermantle Prison, offering tourists a glimpse into the history of Western Australia's criminal justice system. The prison, which was in operation for over 140 years, is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. One of the many elements of Fermantle Prison is its stunning architecture, which ranges from Gothic to Romanesque. The main building includes Victorian-era cells, chapels, and administrative buildings. The cell blocks are arranged in a radial pattern around the central watchtower, with each block consisting of 3 tiers of cells. This destination isn't just for history buffs. Fremantle Prison is also famous for its paranormal activity and attracts investigators from around the world. In fact, it's considered one of the most haunted places in Australia, with numerous reports of ghostly sightings and unexplained events. Visitors can take part in a range of activities at Fermentational Prison, including ghost tours, escape room experiences, and interactive exhibits. The prison also hosts regular events and concerts, adding to its unique and eclectic atmosphere. Sydney Harbour Bridge, Sydney. Everyone knows Sydney for two things, one of them being the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Perhaps the most important icon representing the city, the bridge is even more magnificent up close. Completed in 1932, the bridge is a remarkable feat of engineering and design and is considered one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. With its distinctive steel arch design spanning over 500 meters and rising over 130 meters above the harbor, tourists are often left speechless. You can take guided tours of the bridge, learning about its history and the engineering challenges faced during its construction. But for those who want to skip the talking and get to the walking, the bridge offers an opportunity to climb to the top of the arch for a breathtaking view of the city and the harbor. The climb takes approximately 3.5 hours and includes a safety briefing, climb suit and harness, and a guide to help you to the top. From there, you can see a panoramic sight only a lucky few manage to see in their lifetimes. Now let's fly over to New Zealand, where many striking locations await tourists, starting with the Auckland Domain in Auckland. Built over the remains of the oldest volcano of the Auckland volcanic field, Auckland Domain is a park spanning over 75 hectares. It's known for being the largest and one of the oldest parks in the region, providing visitors with an unbeaten picturesque landscape. Auckland Domain is home to a number of attractions, including the Auckland War Memorial Museum, which offers visitors a glimpse into the history and culture of the region. The park also features a captivating duck pond and the infamous winter gardens. These beautiful gardens feature a range of stunning plants, including ferns, orchids, and palms, set against the backdrop of a beautiful glass house. For sports enthusiasts, the Auckland Domain also features several sports fields and courts, as well as a fitness trail and a disc golf course. Visitors can also enjoy barbecuing, picnicking, and relaxing on the expensive lawns throughout the park. Piha Beach, Auckland. Auckland's west coast is one of the most stunning black sand beaches that offers visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Piha Beach is surrounded by rugged cliffs and dense forests, creating a breathtaking backdrop for those who visit. Known for its dramatic landscapes, Piha Beach features a towering lion rock formation and the expansive black sand beach. Visitors can take a dip in the blue ocean, surf the waves, or simply relax on the beach and take in the stunning views. The area surrounding Piha Beach is also home to several hiking trails that wind through the surrounding forest and provide visitors with incredible views of the coastline. Visitors can also explore the nearby Piha Village, which offers a range of dining and shopping options. Baldwin Street, Dunedin. Have you ever wondered what it's like to walk on the steepest street in the world? Baldwin Street in Dunedin is the steepest residential street in the world, with an incline of 35%. This can have quite a funny effect on your sense of balance, making it a quirky location to visit. Visitors can take a stroll up the street, or for the more adventurous, attempt to run or bike up it. Along the way, they can appreciate the unique architecture of the houses, which are built to withstand the steep decline. At the bottom of Baldwin Street, visitors can find the Baldwin Street Gutbuster, an annual race where participants race up and down the street. It's a popular event that draws spectators and participants from around the world.